Good morning, this is Andrew from Trendfollowing Mentor. In this little short video, it's the 19th of November, I want to talk about the importance of following rules as opposed to following emotions. I'm going to give you a couple examples that actually happen in the stock market. First of all, this Universal Insurance Holdings was one of the high-flying stocks that broke out of this recent rally. And you had a couple of different entry points. One of them could have drawn a simple trend line. You had a cup, handle, been buying here. Very nice trade, and you'd make your 20%, typical investor business daily IBD. But you have to have rules when to get out. There's numerous rules. One rule is if it's up more than 20% in less than 3 weeks, you have to hold it. Except for the maybe, if it's your rule, because again, this all boils down to your personality. Where are we in the cycle? And the point is, let me show you, we're in one of the longest bull markets pretty much ever. So caution is advised. And the thing also you always want to look at is, where are you sitting in the stock market? And you can see I have this indicator called the Andrew Abraham buy. I'll give it to you, no problem. You can see we're above a 200. You can see we're above, the 10 is above the 30. Those are my rules. So I have every reason to be long. But going back to this UVE, could have taken your 20%. You had the biggest one-day sell here, down day on huge volume, considerably more than the others. This is a sell signal. You have a sell signal that you hit your 20% and then you close below the 10 period exponential moving average. A hard rule, you close below the 50. So you could have gotten out, let's say you missed here or here, if those weren't your rules, or here. This was your final rule to get out at 30, whatever it is, 30, 50 and change. You would have avoided all of this. This is why we trade with rules, to stay on the right side of a market, because trading is very risky. You can lose money. It is not easy. And then there's times where you get confused, because let's show you this. Let's say hypothetically, people were talking about selling Facebook. I just follow my rules and I have no anxiety. I accept the fact that I'm going to have losses. This wasn't a fun day. You can see it. But I didn't just go and sell. I had my rules where I bought. I was trailing with a 7% stop. I added here because this is another one of my rules when things gap up. So really what I want to do is tell you that I'm here to help you. If you need help with trading with stocks, this is what we do. We have the Bible of trend following, the Bible of compounding money. None of it's easy. I have hourly consulting. I have a course. But if I can help you anyway, gladly. If you want these indicators, I'll help you. And also I use Metastock. So all these indicators are in Metastock. They're not in any other platform. Thank you very much. And one more last thing. Oops. You can reach me here. Thank you very much.